Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Shamoon and you are watching Pro Wellness Mantra in English. In this video, we will discuss the major health benefits of Ashwagandha, also known as Indian winter cherry plant or Indian ginseng. Ashwagandha, known so because of the smell of freshly cut roots of the plant, is a well documented herb mentioned in Ayurvedic books such as Ayurveda Sangrah, Charak Samhita speak highly of this herb. Ashwagandha has been in use in India since time immemorial. It is consumed mostly in form of dried root powder. Ashwagandha plant is an evergreen shrub. It is 1 to 5 feet tall. Now we come to the uses of Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is a rasayana herb. Now you would like to know what is a rasayana. Rasayana means rejuvenating. The proper use of Ashwagandha slows down the very process of aging and minimizes the age-related problems. Ashwagandha has invigorating properties. The alkaloids present in this herb promote muscle building. Ashwagandha is an adaptogen too. According to definition, an adaptogen is something that helps the body cope with mental, physical or emotional stress. Thus, Ashwagandha is not only a muscle builder but also a mood elevator. Some etymological dictionaries of Ayurveda believe that Ashwagandha is something that makes a person strong like a horse. But I think it is no coincidence that among 8 parts of Ayurveda, there is one part which is called Vajikarna and which literally means making someone strong like a horse. Thus, definitely Ashwagandha has aphrodisiac properties. Ashwagandha is an important ingredient of many classical aphrodisiac Ayurvedic formulations. Last but not least, Ashwagandha is a potent immunity booster and helps the body resist the attack of microorganisms. The recommended dose of dried root Ashwagandha powder is 3 to 6 gram, which should be taken twice a day with lukewarm water or milk. The dose may change depending upon the age, nature and gender of the person. Ashwagandha Risht is a very popular classical Ayurvedic formulation which contains ashwagandha and is used for the treatment of stress, anxiety and general debility. These are the major health benefits of ashwagandha. Many more potential health benefits of ashwagandha are still being evaluated in laboratories. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope to see you soon in next video. Goodbye. Take care.